I am the dark spirit of the coronavirus, ready to trap the unwary, the show-off, the fool. And this is the kind of place where you'd expect to find me. But no one expects to find me here. It seems too ordinary. But the children are close together. They're holding hands. The unwary ones are easier still, touching, play fighting. Soon they'll have a very different fight on their hands. Only a fool would ignore this, but there's one born every minute. It's the perfect place for an infection.
Go on, you go home. Get your haircut. Go on, sure.
The old people don't stand a chance. But what's this? Children socially distancing themselves, programming their Commodore VIC-20 computers. Sensible children. I have no power over them. I'll be back.